Hey, Dana here, and welcome to our 4th of July weekend. And we have a bonfire going. And we're gonna go ahead and use the little WorX chainsaw. I slowly trim this. Unfortunately, probably our 80-year-old pear tree has given up the ghost. Giving up the ghost. Someone's giving up the ghost, so you know, gotta come down.
She's following you.
So it's trimmed to that point. I'm gonna let the wife do the honors and cut across the middle here. We're gonna have a timber. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna zip this thing off right here first.
Stinky, no, stay here.
I might give it a little more weight. It might go. I want to miss the. Actually, I want to go right across that tree right there. Is what I want to go across.
Yeah, I see.
So, come on, my dear. Say happy America. Right here. You ready?
Well, yeah, but I don't want to be taped.
Oh, don't worry about it.
To be taped.
Okay. Hold on for a second.
Good. I'll tape you.
No, I'm not going to cut it yet.
This is me not cutting the tree.
You gonna cut it?
Evidently not.
Why not?
Because you took it away from me.
Here. I'll take the camera, you take the phone. I'll take the chainsaw. The little WorX 12-inch blade.
And push that, right?
Push it, yeah. Keep
Push
the,
them both.
yeah, just keep the blades away from you.
Well, don't I just cut it like that?
You're gonna do it kind of in a V. Come over here.
Jesus Christ. Over here?
Right here. No, you're gonna cut it right here.
Right here?
Yeah. But I want you right here. Nope. Don't you stepping on. Right here.
Right here?
Go for it, right there. Josette, get over there. Over there. Go that way. Josette, where are you going? Get over there. Thank you. Okay, you stop right there. Good job. Now, cut straight in. There you go. Go.
That's how I die?
It's recorded, yeah. You're good. Come over here.
Should that be cut through?
Come over here. No, yeah. You're right there. You're right there. No, right where you were. There you go. Okay. Beautiful. I don't know how old she was, but we'll find out when we count them. Okay, go ahead. Keep going.
That away.
Yeah.
It's going to fall right into that tree.
That's right. That's where I want it.
Why do you want it into that tree? That tree ain't dead yet.
Oh, yeah, it ain't gonna hurt it none. It's a bush. Go ahead.
Come on, Mom, cut it down. I am.
Starting to tilt. You stay right there.
What'd you say?
Go ahead. Go ahead. Timber! Beautiful.
Woo!
Beautiful. Right where I wanted it.
Did it!
Good job. And that's a little $150 battery charged chainsaw. I don't know if it'll do 1,000 cords during the summertime or the summertime to get ready for winter, but very good. Go across top.
Maybe I should have, boy.
Oh, you're gonna cut that down.
I'm gonna cut it right here.
Huh? Right here.
Oh, that?
Yeah, go across. Beautiful.
Is that over here?
Yeah, go the other way.
Where'd my stick go?
Oh.
Oh, I see it's right there. I just gotta have it to get around the ruts in the yard.
Yeah, just zip that out. Zip those off. Just let it do the job.
Huh?
Just let it do the job. Okay. Hold up. Hold up. Okay, hold up. Okay. Pull it out. Oh, don't get my hand there. Okay, pull it out. I'm gonna go for, that's good from there. And go from underneath. Just zip it.
Underneath?
Yep.
Like this?
Yep, right in line with the other one.
Oh boy, really?
Right in line with
How am
the
I
other
gonna do that?
one. Coming up. Pull up.
I can't do that.
It's good. It's done. It's done. It's done. There you go. Very good. We got enough. I think we got enough firewood for the night.
This one in the middle?
Well, come over here. We'll chew this stuff up first. How's Mr. Battery look? Mr. Battery butt. Little bread button there. Oop, we're getting down there.
Fine.
Yep, we got like one left. So just whip through.
1, 2, 3?
Yep. Up. Underneath. Good. When it does that, you got to come up from underneath. All right. Now be careful what you're doing. You're getting a little clumsy with that.
I'm not.
Careful. Yes.
You cut nobody yet.
That's the whole point. Okay. Cut those. Cut that one right there. Very nice. Okay. My button fire. Over now. Okay. All right. Okay. One more time.